Mateos be wondering.
Information communication technology is important for our daily lives. Through this, we can communicate to other people that are living far away from us. As you observe today's century, there are many different technologies that we can use in our work. We now live in a world full of social interest because we can work through the use of the internet.
As a student, ICT helps me for my studies and to communicate with others, especially to my family back at my hometown. Every day, I need internet connection even when I'm at school. Because if there are difficult words that I cannot understand, it is easier for me to search it in the internet. And for the information of everybody, ICT also helps the society to grow. As I said earlier, ICT helps our society to grow more businesses. It gives people an opportunity to work even there at home, having more time with their family. It can also help other big companies to expand their business through the use of social media ads and dealing with clients through internet.
Social media has become a big part of our lives. Most people engage with social media without thinking what it may affect with our lives. There are many positive aspects in using internet, but there are also negative aspects that come with the use of applications such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and other applications. These applications are commonly used by people posting too much about their lives that can be used against them and put them in danger. Facebook. This is the biggest social network of internet users, and it is used by professionals too. Facebook is a great way to communicate with your family and friends that live far away. But take note, family can affect our privacy, especially to the young generations or the some people that has too much information in their social media accounts. Some people publish their personal information in public because it may be used for bad things such as faking an account identity and etc. Not all your posts is good to the eyes of others. Think first and be careful of your actions.